Imagine that you have been convicted for a crime that you haven't committed because machine intelligence says so. This is what happened to a lawyer named Brandon Mayfield, whose life turned upside down when he was convicted for 2004 Madrid train bombing. At the crime scene, Spanish authorities found some fingerprint on a detonating device and asked FBI to match those fingerprints with their database. To one of those fingerprints, 20 possible matches were found, and the top match was of Brandon Mayfield. FBI declared this match as 100% match and arrested him. However, after almost a month, when Spanish authorities reviewed the same fingerprint, they found it as a negative match to his fingerprint, and then he was placed not guilty. Although he was released, but it can happen to someone else, so the question arises is, why machine made the wrong decision? This happened because of mismatching of images, and mismatching happened because the fingerprints found at the crime scene were unclear and partial. The matching of such fingerprints using the existing technique isn't bulletproof, as they rely on extracting features which is invariably difficult for such fingerprints. The same problem exists for other image matching applications as well, such as image registration, medical image diagnosis, where false matching of images can result in dire consequences. So we need a more reliable matching method. And this is where my PhD is important. To bulletproof the matching process, I have developed a matching method that uses the low-level feature and use all the given information of the images to compensate for unclear and partial images. For that, I have completely shifted the paradigm from conventional feature extraction approach to a pixel-based matching approach, because the extraction of pixel-based information isn't as difficult as the extraction of features. Also, I have developed a complex similarity metric that can compute similarity between any type of images. So what next? I have been invited by Johannes Kepler University in Austria to work on an European-funded project of authentication by embedding the biometrics on a smart card, and to verify if the proposed approach is practical or not in the real world. Hence, by my approach, I hope next time machine won't make the wrong decision and you are not falsely convicted. Thank you.